Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mahmud Hassan, Assistant Teacher, Agriculture, Greenfield School and College. Dear student of class 7, I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to discuss about Lesson 8, Crop Variety as per Agroecological Zones. In the last class, I have discussed about agroecological zones of Bangladesh. Now, today I am going to start discussion about crop varieties grown in the agroecological zone. Due to agroclimatic environment, we notice the dominance of particular crop in some areas through rice, jute, wheat, potato, etc. Agroecological Zone 1 consists of Dinajpur, Panchgor and Thakurgaon. Particular crops in this area are lychee and mango. Nowadays, tea is being cultivated and cultivation of oranges has also been started. AZ2 includes the strip of the sandy land in Tista areas. This area includes some areas of Nilphamari, Lalmonirhat and Kurigram. The specific crops of this region are groundnut and kaun. AZ3 and 4 take in Rangpur and part of Bogra. Characteristics of this region is that tobacco and vegetables are grown there. AZ5 and 6 include the Chalonbil area, some lowlands of Atrai and Punorbhaba river, which is situated in the district of Nauga, Nator and Chapainaoganj. The plants used to manufacture pati and cane products are the specific crops of these zones. Watermelon and garlic are being cultivated widely nowadays. Agroecological Zone 7. Agroecological Zone 7 takes in the strips of the sandy lands in the river of Brahmaputra in the district of Kurigram, Gaibandha and Sirajganj. Particular crops in this region area: groundnut and pumpkin. Agroecological Zone 8. Agroecological Zone 8 covers the riverside area of Brahmaputra. These includes some areas as Sherpur, Jamalpur. Agroecological Zone 9 encompasses Sherpur, Jamalpur, Tangail and Mymensingh area. A special crop in AZ8 region is water chestnut, Panifal. Almost all kinds of crops grow in the Agroecological Zone 9 region. Agroecological Zone 10 extends over the sandy strip area of the Podda. Groundnut is the main crop here. AZ11 is the water-fed area by the old Brahmaputra. Cotton is the characteristic crop of this region. AZ12 covers the river bank of the Podda. This region produces the crops like broadcasted almond and palm. The coastal area of Khulna forms the AEZ-13. The Sundarbans belong to this region. AEZ-14 includes the sites of lowland in the Gopalganj. Palm and date trees are the specialities of this region. AEZ-15 covers the aerial Quagmire area. Broadcast almond, Bona almond, is the main type of crop in this region. AEZ-16 stretches over the middle Meghna area. Land is mid-high here. Land is middle and high here. Crops including potato and banana grow in this region. AEZ-17 encompasses the border area of Noakhali and Kumilla. General crops including groundnuts, maize, etc. grow here. AEZ-18 covers low areas of bhola, coconut, betel leaf are the special crops here. Eastern Meghna area comprises the AEZ-19. Broadcast almond is the particular crop that grows in this region. Tanguar Haor belongs to AEZ-20. Boro rice production and fish cultivation areas are situated here. AEZ-21 includes banks of Surma and Kushiara. This zone includes many areas of Sunamganj. There are production areas of Boro rice, fish and vegetables. Northeastern foot of the hills belong to AEZ-22. These zones includes some parts of Netrokona, Sunamganj, Maulavi Bazar and Sylhet. Areca palm, lemon, oranges and khashia betel leaves are the crops in this region specific. Nowadays, agar is being cultivated in these areas. AEZ-23 stretches over the coastal areas of Cox's and Chittagong. Betel leaves exhibit the characteristics of the region. Coastal island of St. Martin's belong to AEZ-24. Coconut is the main crop here. In this is a map of Bangladesh, and this map is marked with agroecological zones with number. The number indicates the agroecological zone. There are 30 agroecological zones. So it is the map of agroecological zone. Here are the name of the agroecological zones. The number one zone is Old Himalayan Predominant Plain Land Area. Number 2 is active Tista flooded or inundated land area. Number 3 is Tista Minder flooded land area. Number 4 is Korotwa Bengali flooded land area. Number 5 Lower Atrai Basin area. Number 6 Lower Punorbhava flooded land area. Number 7 active Brahmaputra Jamuna flooded land area. Number 8 young Brahmaputra and Jamuna flooded land area. Number 9 old Brahmaputra flooded land area. Number 10 active Ganges flooded land area. Number 11 high Ganges river flooded land area. Number 12 low Ganges river flooded land area. Number 13 Ganges tidal flooded land area. Number 14 Bill areas of Gopalganj, Khulna. Number 15 Arial Bill area. Number 16 Middle Meghna river flooded land area. Number 17 low Meghna river flooded land area. Number 18 young Meghna estuarine flooded land area. Number 19 old Meghna estuarine flooded land area. Number 20 eastern Surma Kushiara flooded land area. Number 21 Sylhet Basin area. Number 22 northern and eastern predominant plain areas. Number 23 Chittagong coastal plain land areas. Number 24 St. Mary's coral island area. Number 25 plain Barind tract. Number 26 high Barind tract. Number 27 northeastern Barind tract. Number 28 Madhupur tract. Number 29 northern and eastern hilly areas. And 30 Akhaura terrace. Aged 25, 26 and 27 encompass the Barind tract area of Rajshahi, Bogra and Dinajpur. Almost all crops grow in the highlands of these areas. Aged 28 stretches over the red soil zone from Madhupur to Tejgaon of Dhaka. Shal tree grows there. Jackfruit and pineapple are also the crops here. Aged 29 includes all the other hilly areas. This zone includes the hill areas of Rangamati, Bandarban, Khagrachari, Chittagong, Moulvibazar and other districts. The special crop here is tea. The red soil area of Akhaura belong to aged 30. Major crops in this region are Tezel gourd and Mukundapuri guava. The main purpose of giving the details is to inform that Bangladesh has immense diversification in agriculture through though it is a small country. However, aged 3, 9, 11 and partially 16 are open ages. Because of various crops like rice and jute growing in these zones, Bangladesh is called as Golden Bengal. This is the end of the today's lesson. Now I am going to discuss about some MCQ question on different lessons. Now MCQ on lesson 5. Question 1. Plants produce food in which part of the body? Answer is leaf. Question 2. In which process of plant the presence of sunlight is essential? Answer is photosynthesis. Question 3. Which one of the below has impact on crop production? Correct answer is element of weather and climate. For sowing cool season crops, what's the maximum temperature in degree centigrade? 31 to 37 degrees Celsius. Number 5. Which one of the below is shade loving plant? Coffee. Question 6. Plants produce food in the presence of sunlight in green stem, leaf, root. Answer is green stem and leaf. 1 and 2. High humidity in air may cause good primary growth of plant, good grain filling, spread of disease and insects. Correct answer is primary growth of plant, spread of disease and insect. The correct answer is 2 and 3. That means good grain filling and spread of disease and insect. Read the following passage below and answer the question 8 and 9. One morning, Mr. Karim calculated average temperature of the house for the last 7 days and found that it was 28 degrees Celsius. He prepared the land located at the back of his house properly for cultivating chickpea. But sudden temperature raised by 5 or 6 degrees Celsius, so he was compelled to cultivate another crop instead of chickpea. In later condition, he may cultivate which crop successfully? The answer is cassava. Question 9. The condition mentioned in the passage affected which one most? Answer is germination of seedlings. Now I am going to discuss about MCQ on lesson 6. Drought is divided into how many forms on the basis of damage caused to crops? Answer is 3. Production of what is hampered by heavy downpour in the rainy season? Answer is vegetable. Question 3. What does hailstorms occur in Bangladesh? When does hailstorm occur in Bangladesh? Chaitra 2 Boishak. Which plant cannot tolerate excessive water? Jackfruit. What percentage of harvest deficits during a severe drought? The correct answer is 40. Sorry, the correct answer is 70 to 90%. What percentage of harvest deficit occur during moderate drought? 40 to 70. Now question 7. If more rainfall occurs than necessary, it may cause flood in waterlogging, increases plant growth and production, may cause oxygen deficiency in soil. Which one is correct? The correct answer is 1 and 3. That means it may cause flood and waterlogging, may cause oxygen deficiency in soil. Question 8. Due to heavy rainfall, flower shedding occurs, base become rotten, oxygen deficiency may occur in the soil. Which one is correct? The correct answer is 1 and 3. That means flower shedding occurs, oxygen deficiency may occur in the soil. 1 and 3. Now read the passage below and answer the question 9 and 10. Mr. Shafiq's home is in the southern part of Khulna division. He is very aware about the adverse weather and climatic condition for the crop production. Question 9. Dominance of which type of adverse weather and climatic condition is more in the area of Mr. Shafiq? Option A, heavy rainfall. Option B, drought. Option C, hailstorm. Option D, flood. Correct answer is hailstorm. It may be a threat of growing which type of crop in the above mentioned area? Correct answer is jute. MCQ on lesson 7. What grows well in Jashore? Option A, tea. Option B, lychee. Option C, orange. Option D, date. Cultivation of crops depends on environment. What grows well in Sri Mongol? Orange. Most people in our country depends on what? Depends on agriculture. In how many agroecological zones has Bangladesh been divided? Answer is 30. Which one is the particular crop of AZ3 and 4? Tobacco. Corn and groundnut are the particular crops of which AZ? AZ2. Which AZ is made up with the part of Rangpur and Bogra? The correct answer is 3 and 4. AZ2 is made up of which area? Sandy soil in Tista. Which one is the particular crop of AZ1? Answer is mango. AZ, which AZ includes Cholon Bill as some lowland of Atrai and Punorbhava river? The correct answer is 5 and 6. What are the crops of AZ16? Banana and vegetable. Which AZ encompasses the border area of Noakhali and Kumilla? 17. Nowadays, agar is being cultivated in which AZ? AZ22. Which AZ includes Coral Island of St. Martin? 24. Which is the characteristics of plant of AZ24? Characteristic plant is coconut. In Bangladesh, for favor of agro environment, lychee grows well in Dinajpur, orange grows well in Sri Mongol, mango grows well in Jashore. Which one is correct? 1 and 2 is correct. To identify agroecological zone, things that are given priority are availability of water, soil humidity, air humidity. Which one is correct? 1 and 2 is correct. AZs that consist most northern district of Bangladesh are AZ2, AZ3, AZ4. Which one is correct? The correct is 2 and 3. Water type of AZ1 is acidic, alkaline and salty. Now read the passage. Agriculturist Mr. Rahman went for a vacation with his children to the longest sea beach of the world. On the way back home, he took some soil sample with him and later he examined the soil characteristics. Mr. Rahman went for a vacation in AZ25. Mr. Rahman saw dominance of which type of crop in the AZ where he went for a vacation? Answer is coconut. This is all for today's class. Thanks for watching this video.